Hi guys, this is me Rahini, and in this video I am going to show you my new Einstein box science experiment kit. Let's see what all it contains and how to make the most of it. This science kit includes all the necessary pieces of equipment and chemicals that you will need to perform up to 40 exciting experiments. It also has an instruction manual to help you along. The experiments come under a wide range of categories such as explosive science, color and crystal science, soap science and polymer science. While doing these experiments, you get to know about so many more interesting things. What's more, all the ingredients are non-toxic and safe for kids. While doing these experiments, you get to know about so many more interesting things. With this kit, you can invite your friends and perform a new science experiment every day. It is a fun way to learn.